Hey, in this episode of Fun with Charts, we're going to take a look at Netflix, Square, and Nvidia. So first up, we have Netflix, and we've already looked at this long multi-year trend that we're paying attention to down here. And one interesting trend that's starting to form is this downward trend right here that's starting to form. And one reason why this is interesting is that in the past this has happened several times. And what can we learn from it? Well, here, once we broke the trend, we had a modest gain of about almost 4% here. But if we go and jump ahead here, the next time it occurred, we had a gain of a little over 8% from this trend being broken to up here. And then the next time it happens, we have a gain from this point here, once it breaks this trend, of about 9% here from this line up here. And then again, we have it happen one last time right here in this downtrend. And this gain is of about 9%. Well, we do have another overarching trend that's occurring this whole time that this is actually a 30 from this point right here to up here is about a 32% gain. But if we just take these four results here, the average is an 8% gain, which actually happens to be about this bounce right here. This is about 8.2 or a little over 8% from here to here. So what we could see, I mean, this can obviously go down further, but once this breaks the trend, on average, we can see an 8% correction from these historical scenarios. And so the interesting thing there is that the downside, at least in the near term, this is a support line right here. I would expect to see a bounce if we do hit this. If this is going to turn into something like this, we would probably go through it if it's going to keep going down. But I'm interested to see when this breaks out. That could be an interesting swing right there. Okay, now jumping on to their next stock. If we look at Square, so there's an interesting channel that's happening here. Well, actually, it's a ascending triangle. I could see a nice bounce, so I'm definitely keeping my eye on Square stock here. This is a long-term support that this trend has been giving us. And then now let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia has almost basically a descending triangle going on here. One interesting thing that we can look at here is that this trend line down here will probably provide a nice support and give us a nice bounce. And these trends right now just give us a when to buy and when to sell until it breaks either way. And we are getting closer to the apex here, so I would expect to move sometime in October or November out of this trend. Well, I hope you had fun with charts. And a friendly reminder, I'm not a professional financial advisor, and these videos are for entertainment purposes only. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks for watching.